Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Zoho Writer tutorial how to add page numbers. So as example, I will create page numbers in the footer. You can click these icons in the top right, triple line, and then go to field, or you can choose the page number. There are the options. I will insert page number and then you can use the footer. I will move into this right footer. You can click and it will be automatically create the page number. You also can set the format in here, like I will set into ABC, or you can set into the other like here. So as default will be set into 1, 2, and 3. You also can set again for the footer style in here, center, left, or you can none. I will set into center point, move into the center. If you don't, you can click outside. So that's it for a basic Zoho Writer, how to add page numbers. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.